What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you my results so far from self-publishing low content books over on Amazon. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to learn a bit more about low content book publishing, then click that link in the description below so you can go through and check out my course. So, my results so far from self-publishing these low content books. Let's head on over to my Amazon KDP account. This is where you publish your low content books. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom, again, I'm going to blur out my covers so you can't see. I have quite a lot in review at the minute because I've already uploaded my books for the day. But as we can see, 10 books to a page, I now have around 640 books, low content books, published on Amazon. So let's head over to my reports and we're going to have a look at the last 2 months, break it down. We're going to see how many I've sold, what the royalties that I have made look like, and everything else. So these are all my sales. Had a good day there. 66 books in one day, but that was a throwback from some of the books that I published in December. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a 90-day look at my books. So I've been doing this a little over 2 months now, and my royalties, we can see here, $1,000 earned just in royalties on Amazon.com, and then £320 earned on Amazon.co.uk. So let's see what that actually looks like just in dollars. So let's take this 320, go over to a trusted US converter to pounds. I put that in the wrong one. There we go. So that's $419. So let's get the calculator. $419. Add over 1,000. Paste equals. Now I have got some change here as well. I'm not going to bother adding up. That's probably $9, $25, $30 just there, but I'm not going to add that. So over 2 months since December, when I started selling properly, I've sold or earned in royalties $1,424, which is actually pretty good. Now all this is completely passive. All I do is create the book. So I create the cover, the interior, upload it to Amazon, then Amazon takes care of everything, prints that book on demand and ships it to my customer and sends me these royalties. Now if you want to know how I'm doing this step by step, then I do have that course down in the description below, which is Printing Profits, and this is step by step how I've achieved those results. So let's break down this monthly, see what I earned in December, see what I've earned in January, and see what I'm earning in February so far. So let's do December. We're going to do the 1st to the 31st. We're going to apply. Let's scroll down. So in December I earned $356. £243, which is really good. Now December was obviously Christmas time, so there was a lot of books being sold. Let's go to January, apply, scroll down. I made in January $495 along with £69, so over $500 made in January. And if we look at this month, February, we can see how much I've made so far. So let's just do month to date. Scroll down. we can see in February already, I've already made $150 in royalties passively from selling low content books. Now let's go over to the KDP reports and we can see how many books I've actually sold since I've been doing this. So let that load up. Come on. That's it. So let's go to 90 days. And so far I have sold 584 units of my books, which I am really pleased about. Now keep this in mind as well, my income should keep growing every single month because I'm consistently adding new books to my library every single day. I normally make 10 to 20 books on average every single day, upload them to Amazon, and then receive my royalties when I sell those books. Now, as we can see here, in February so far, I'm getting some really good sales. I've got a few Valentine's Day notebooks that are really starting to take off and producing a nice little income. Now, if this is something that you're interested in doing, then check out the course. I do have an offer on at the minute, so instead of it being £99.99, it's actually £49.99 if you use the link in the description, which is around $64. And this course is step by step teaching you exactly what you need to know to build a low content book publishing business. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.